On today's video, we are going to be doing a review of the Jump Starter Pack Jump Surge 1200 by Top Don. So, my brother's car, Bully Kid's garage, his Honda Civic is out of commission. So we're going to be using this Jump Starter to see if we could get it started. Perfect example to try this product and see if it actually is any good, if he'll get the car started. So his car has not been starting in the last couple of days. He has to jump it every morning. So let's see if this jumper pack has enough to get him up and running so he could go home, because as you can see, it is 100 degrees outside. YouTube videos, product sponsorship. Yeah, let's give it a crank. Let's see what's happening here. Oh yeah, there's not enough juice in this bad boy. All right, perfect. Well, let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. All right, so we got a beautiful package here. All right, I have not used this, but I did charge it when I first received it to make sure it's full. Comes with the USB-C. And here is the little McJigger. So press and power. Lights up. As you can see, it's showing you 100%.
Very good that it's powered on.
Yeah, I charged it. I didn't want you to be stranded.
It's pretty compact and lightweight, I must say.
And you could do multiple things. You could charge your phone with that. It has a flashlight.
Okay.
So it's very versatile.
Let's turn it on. Where's the flashlight?
Flashlight. There you go.
Okay, there you go. Okay,
so
cool.
I think it has different settings that you could go through. You could charge things. That's where you charge this device.
Looks like.
And then everything is labeled. You got USB A, right?
Fast charging, USB 3.0
exactly.
maybe?
Yeah, 3.0, there you go. So basically we just connect this. It only goes in one way. All right. Do the honors, sir. Power to red. Ground to ground.
That's pretty easy. So that's it?
And I mean, that's it. You should be able to crank this thing over.
All right. I mean, this thing is dead. As you can see, that battery is toast. 6 years old and dead.
Oh, like nothing.
Highly recommended. 5 stars.
5 stars. 5 stars. So then we're just gonna undo. Let's actually undo the
battery first, maybe. Or not?
I mean, I don't think it's this is a smart system, so it shouldn't have any kind of spark or anything. I mean, we could turn it off, long press. And see, actually it won't turn off because it's connected to the card. So we'll just unplug it.
That's it.
And then we'll shut it down. And it's off. All right, sir. AAA services by Bullet's Garage. Do you think this product is pretty good?
Honestly, I've been wanting to buy one for myself for quite some time. So thank you, Top Don, for sending this out. Really appreciate it. Saved me here, and I'm gonna take this one from you.
Yeah, you could borrow this for the next few days until you get a new battery, and we'll go from there.
This is super cool to have, especially in the winter time when your car just dies automatically, and you don't have to wait for
even if you have jumper cables. Who's gonna take the time out and do this? You have this in your trunk. It's tiny. It's
like this morning I tried to jump this car, but I was in the driveway. I couldn't get a car around this car to even jump it anyway. So this is where this would come in super handy.
That's right.